how to turn on or turn off color filter shortcuts on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then at the top here, tap on vision enhancements. Then we scroll down and tap on color filter. Now in here, you can tap on the color filter shortcut. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on. And from here, there are 4 different shortcuts that you can choose. So you can use one or you can use all of them. So here I can turn on all of them, or I can just select one shortcut. At the top is the quick panel shortcut. So if I select that, you can see if I scroll down at the top to open up quick settings, it will show color filter right here. From here, I can turn it on or switch it off. Now the other shortcut is the accessibility button. So down here, I can tap on the accessibility button at the bottom corner. This will allow me to access the shortcut from the menu. Other options are press side and volume up buttons. So side and volume up buttons combination are volume up and volume down combinations. You need to press on both keys and hold it for 3 seconds. Okay, those are the different shortcuts you can add. After that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.